Kindergarten Club families, it's Miss Emily again. We're going to talk about some math games that are simple and that you can make some of them at home by yourselves together as a family. So I have an egg carton here. Looks like an egg carton, right? But actually, we're going to make a counting game out of this. So on the top, I know one of our Kindergarten Club friends is Sia. Hi, Sia, and Pia and Arjun. And I wrote her name on top and put counting game on the inside. Your grown-ups can help you with this. A permanent marker is a good thing to write with. If you don't have a Sharpie, just use a pen. I wrote the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 because there are 12 eggs in a dozen. And each number helps us know how many things we should count. This is called making sets. And making sets is even trickier than just counting things in a line. So grown-ups, this will help your children develop number sense. So I'm going to look at number 3. You need something small. So what I have at home is Cheerios. So I'm going to count out 3 Cheerios. 1, 2, 3. So we did one of the sets. Children, you can have your grown-ups help you make the rest of the sets. This is a fun counting game. If you don't have Cheerios, you can use raisins or beads or something else small that you might have at home. So that's one of our games. I have blocks and Legos out here, and you're probably wondering, what do blocks and Legos have to do with math? Spatial thinking and understanding the concepts of how things go together and come apart, super important part of math. So having your children play with blocks is very terrific start for math. Or Legos. If you don't have blocks and Legos, don't worry. Take empty shoe boxes, take paper towel rolls, toilet paper rolls. They are awesome for constructive play. Puzzles are really great for spatial awareness and visual spatial problem solving, and that's a huge part of math. So you can make your own. This is just a cereal box. I picked one that's colorful because it's more fun. And your grown-up can draw lines, again with a permanent marker, just different shapes, little bumps to make it a little easier to solve. And then I've got one already started. What you do, and kids, you can help with this part to practice your cutting. You cut along the line and you make yourself puzzle shapes. And this one's already started, so you can put them together just like a regular jigsaw puzzle. There go my pigs. Let's see, this is Rice Krispies, and I'm going to put them together. Boys and girls, this is a fun way to do puzzles, and they travel easily in a bag grown-up, so if you're going out and about, this is something you can take with you. And it's free. Dominoes are a great game to build number sets. If you don't have them at home, they're pretty cheap to buy at the store, but you can just take an index card and draw dots. And what you do with dominoes is you pick from a pile and then you find the one that is the same match. Now, when my son used to play this game with me, he used to, every single time he picked 6, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It took a long time. That's okay. He was learning. And then after a while, he'd pick it up and he'd just eyeball it and he'd say 6. So that teaches number sense, and dominoes are fun. Sometimes you can have the real sturdy ones, and those are good for building and making domino trains. I don't have that kind with me right now.